story several lawyers did not want you to see.
The 7 investigators looking into allegations of problems in the probate guardianship system.
The judge issued this court order saying we cannot show any images of the Kapp's parents, so you won't see their faces in this story.
Last week, a judge stepped in and issued a restraining order preventing Channel 7 from showing any pictures or videos of 2 of the people at the center of the story.
Today, that judge said he is standing by that decision, so now WXYZ is heading to the Court of Appeals. 7
investigator Heather Catallo has the latest on this legal battle.
In TV, we use pictures to tell stories, and sometimes those stories are the only way that an issue can be brought to light. Today, I was in court as we fought for our First Amendment rights.
No one can believe this is happening.
Milan Kapp and several other local families asked the 7 investigators to make their stories public. Those who asked us to investigate say they've lost control of their loved ones to court-appointed guardians. Many of these cases end up in probate court because of family disputes, and the Kapp family fight prompted these 2 sisters to try to stop the 7 investigators from using pictures of their parents in our investigation. Just hours before the story was supposed to air last Thursday, Lori and Sandy Kapp got a judge to issue a temporary restraining order, preventing us from showing you old family pictures that had been provided to us by their other sister, Mila. Today, during a show cause hearing, Judge Daniel A. O'Brien continued that restraining order, saying his job was to protect Mr. and Mrs. Kapp, who are now in their 90s.
I am granting the injunction against Channel 7, and they are restrained, as Mr. Stewart put it. It is, in fact, a prior restraining, got to admit, but they are not to use any photos or video of Milan and Janet Kapp in any broadcast.
WXYZ's attorney Jim Stewart argued that Judge O'Brien's initial restraining order was unconstitutional.
A court cannot order somebody not to publish something. It's called a prior restraint of speech, and it's been held to be presumptively unconstitutional.
Legal experts say prior restraint is typically only used in cases where there is a threat to national security. Clearly, there is no such threat in this story, and this is now about much more than just pictures.
You can't have the government, and that's what a judge is, an agent of the government, telling somebody what they can and can't say when they're covering a newsworthy event.
Because we cannot allow Judge O'Brien's order to set a precedent for other government officials limiting our news coverage as protected by the First Amendment, we are appealing his order. I'm Heather Catallo, 7 Action News.
Thank you, Heather. The